Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can read any kind of PDF with WPS Office. For that you have to watch the full video, so let's get started. First you have to go to the Play Store and then go download WPS Office. Here you can see WPS Office. I already installed it, so I don't have to install it again. I will just open. You have to open then after installing. Then here you can see my file automatically added down here, like all of your PDF file automatically will show, like you can see it through WPS Office. You don't have to drag it down here, it will automatically there. So that's how you can use WPS Office. And if you wanna import more or export your PDF, you just have to click export and you have to select the documents and it will be export automatically. Like if you want to send it to someone, then that also. So edit PDF on PC, you can edit PDF on PC, and your PC's WPS and your device WPS will be connected. You can connect it as well, so you can do documents translation as well, everything. You can just do everything. PDF, PPT recorder, then school tools, documents translation, support more than 60 languages, translate the entire document content quickly, retaining the style, layout. Pictures or formulas in the document cannot be translated. Just the pictures and the formulas of math can't be translated in this WPS Office, but whatever except formulas and pictures you can translate everything. So that's it guys, it's a really great app, so you should download this app and use it for your everyday life. It will be really helpful for your everyday life, who works in the office, or even students also use this app for their everyday life. So that's it guys, that's how you can use WPS Office and download it for reading, like for adding PDF or reading PDF. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching this video, and do like, share and subscribe to this channel.